Just a little over.
Owen, say na.
Whole peeled off section of. Oh, there you go.
No.
Na.
Doggy.
Some more?
Yeah.
Feel good?
Owen, say na. Owen, say na.
Fingers. He's looking at his hand like,
What's on here?
Na. In the hair. Ooh. Owen Z.
does someone need a bath?
Clean machine?
He's getting the hang of it, and now he's not going to have any more.
Yeah.
Yeah. So usually a little pig. He
Hey, I made it a single layer.
Do you want to help me carry the presents into the living room?
Oh, I think
So
we're
ready for one more spot yet, or is he still?
Yeah,
I think he's done. He's going to get
Okay.
I think it's baby bath time first.
We can just wipe them